Lawn's looking horrible, but I got some things for it. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. What's going on, guys? Whew. I gotta tell you, I'm not liking the way my lawn's looking right now. After today's mow, it's looking kind of bad. There's a lot of spots in it that before I mowed, it looked a lot better. Now, it's okay, it's still early. Still a lot I could do to get this back. And honestly, I think my main issue is my watering. But yeah, just got done mowing the front yard, about to head to the back, mowing that beast down too. The image is really taking hold of. Whew. You guys can tell. I don't know if you guys can tell on video, but I can tell. The image is really setting in. But let me show you what the image has done so far. I don't know if y'all can see that too good. But all the yellowing, definitely through here. All this dying off, which is good. This is not good down here. And all this stuff that I thought was onion grass is dying off. So I'm not sure. I only had one person say it was onion grass or not, and they said no. So I don't know, guys. It's something, but Image took care of it and is taking care of it. But yeah, it's looking good. But again, with the backyard, just like the front yard, watering is my issue. So gotta work on that, guys. Really gotta work on that. I ain't gonna let this sod die on me, I'll tell you what. But that's the backyard, guys. Now it's time to do my favorite things. It's app time. All right, let's get some apps down. So what I'm doing today, guys, let's just check the old lawn journal. What do you say? Let's see here. I'm gonna do some breaking out the microgreen, guys. It's May 21st, almost done with May. I'm throwing down microgreen. It's gonna be pretty warm the next week, high 80s to 90s. So I think I'm good. throwing down that microgreen in the front, throwing it in the back. I got some Air8 for the front and the back, and I got some Humic12 for the front and the back. If you're having questions about this bio pack, I just know that you're not supposed to mix the microgreen with anything else. And that's not what I'm gonna do. So, but I've mixed the Humic and Air8 before, or the RGS together, and it's fine. But it's the microgreen when you mix it with something else. And it even says it on the label. So read. Just read the labels, guys. It helps you out when you read, if you know how to read. That's not making fun of people that don't know how to read. That is just anyway. What you saw there was 12 ounces of Air8 and 12 ounces of Humic12. So aggravated him a little bit. Is that what you call him? Yeah, I got real mad there. Agitated it, both of them. Shake them up real well. Throw them in there, throw a little water in there. I'm gonna agitate it a little more when I spray it. I'm gonna be shaking it around. And yeah, so let's get back to it. Watch me spray. Dang, guys, I tell you what. All right, so doing the front yard, and I noticed, I was like, okay, I see this Humic and Air8 coming out. I see it. But it's barely making a dent in the bottle. Like, nothing's hardly, it's not getting empty, I should say, as fast as it should. I had it on 6 ounces. I should have been running out of there like crazy. And that's my ortho dialing spray. Had it at 6 ounces. Boom. And I went over the yard twice. And I was like, okay, what's going on? I still have like the whole freaking bottle left. So unscrewed it to double check to see if there was any kind of clogs. There was no clogs. It was working perfectly. Put it back on and I tried to spray again. I was like, all right, this is getting out of control, annoying. So I was like, okay, let me move this dial. So I reset it, I spun it all the way around again and right back, and I actually put it on 8 ounces this time, and it started working, it started kicking on. So something was wrong. I don't know if you guys have ever had issues with your dial on your ortho dial and spray. So if that's the case, just spin it around a little bit. If that still doesn't work, go buy yourself a new one, because that might be what I had to do. Oh, guys, so I just got done doing the back. I didn't show you guys, but that's fine. I didn't record. But same thing went in the back, same thing went in the front. Air8, Humic12, and microgreen. I went down the front and the back. Now I'm just watering and making sure all that stuff. I don't like the way my lawn's looking in the front right now. I think either I have some fungus or I'm scalping and I need to check on my mower. But on my mower, I don't know if this is all mowers, but go outside, guys and gals, and look at the front of your mower and see what you see. And maybe this is just Husqvarna, I don't know, or maybe it's just something else, but this might be the problem, guys. This might be the problem that I'm having. The difference in the height? That's not me having it at different heights. Everything's on setting number 3, guys. This side right over here is just sitting a little higher than that side over there. Now, I don't know what that's about, But I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. I'm gonna find out what's going on because I think it's messing up my front lawn. And eventually it'll mess up my back lawn too. But I gotta clean up my garage, man. Jeez, it's got stuff everywhere. But it's a mess. And then my garage itself is a mess. Got tons of stuff to do. Whew. But yeah, guys, good day. Got the mow. Got to throw down the apps. Watering right now. I'm gonna water like a mother. Because I've been lacking on that. I've been lacking on it, and it's getting hotter, and Bermuda needs that water. So yeah, mowing. I'm gonna have to start watering. I'm gonna start watering early and often. So because my old schedule used to be in the morning and in the evening, but I hear some people can do it in the morning, after late morning. So they do it early in the morning, then late morning, around 10 or 11, maybe afternoon, and then again in the evening. But we'll see. I don't know, but that's what's going on with the backyard as well. And I just need to keep on watering, guys. If I can keep on watering, it's gonna look good. But that's it for today, guys. Real short video. Short as in long. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I just mowed the front and the back. I put down my amps, microgreen, Air8, Humic12. All right, see y'all later.